Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is August 19, 2015, and today is Wednesday morning. So looking at the markets in the heart of the week, let's start with the Euro USD. Euro USD trading at 110.53, retracing just about 20 pips just yesterday. Not much of a big retracement. We're popping up a little bit here. But as you can see, we got close to this 110.23. That's 110.23, and then we bounced off of it. So it was a good spot to pick it up, but it's impossible to get this perfectly, especially when we're trading in a range like this. So altogether, it would have been probably better had it been in the 198, 1098, 1010 area to pick it up. But if it takes off here, it might just bounce up to 1074, and then you see it'll falter and go back down to 108. So keep that in mind, okay? Nothing, jumping at me saying, buy or sell this right now, but as it gets to these two thresholds, you may want to jump in and just play the range. Looking at the GBP USD, we're at the top of the range. It might be a good place to actually short right here, as we're not really breaking out higher very strong. No big bar, might be a good place to actually short it here. Looking at the Dow Jones, we didn't do much yesterday, okay? And in fact, actually, we're just this red bar is after hours, sold off just a little bit afterwards. But altogether, really didn't do much of a day yesterday in a 20 to 30 point move. And as you can see, it's really faltering, and it's dead. It's really very tired, in my opinion. Okay, we did have this big bar down, and then we rallied right back. But altogether, I think we're heading in a very bearish position in the Dow Jones. Looking at oil here, oil finally, making a stop at 42.36. Speaking to somebody yesterday, he said to me he was buying it. I'm not sure if that's so prudent at these levels, seeing how this is a really big bar and we're closing down. What I'd like to have seen is some sort of capitulation, and I think we still have room to go down, believe it or not. So I would really be careful if you are long, and just to be careful not to take it too far. Looking at the USD-ZAR, faltering a little bit, and we got to 1294 and then sold off to 1290 here. A little bit relieved because this thing looked like it's going to the North Pole. Really, this is a beautiful graph in terms of selling short the ZAR and buying the dollar. But if you are a holder of the South African rand, you are hurting. Looking at the Aussie USD today, also trading close to its lows, not really much going on. Maybe quiet right before the storm. So it might be something that might develop later on this month. This is Razak at CMTrading, and I wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.